Hey guys, as the name implies, I'm Dialga, and I'm going to first the Pokemon League. Here's my team. You'll see more about them later. But for now, this is all that you're going to be able to see. And here you get a nice little tune. Yes, this is my second time in Pokemon League. So yeah, bye, in. This guy. And nothing is infinite for all of them. No, do not want to use flying or switch. No, back. Hello, welcome to the Pokemon League. I am of the Elite Four. It's good to meet you. Well, I should explain as I am a huge fan of both Pokemon. Pokemon are nasty, mean, and yet they're beautiful too. Would you like to know why I take Anchondra here? No. Because I want to become perfect, just like I took that Pokemon perfect. Okay, Pokemon. I want to get out of here. Let me take you on. I want to get out of here. Yeah, really nice little scene. Okay, let's start off here from Area 8. I'm going to ace for this. I did not know how to do this. Yeah, duplicate. Oh! Get that one. There you go. Drop you on. I can be scared because I'm a brave bird. Here's a spider I have 0. Wait, you guys can use the next machine. Actually nothing for because I just got a lot more news on. Blah blah blah. Like you even gonna hit me this time. And I just fly. Oh, clear path. This is why I want to keep out this guy. Because, well, that's because I'm going to use Brave Bird on it. Because remember, I am a brave bird. Wait, I'm not a bird. I'm a Dialga. I'm in the middle of time. I'm bring back time to when I was just for my Pokemon Dialga game. But sadly, I can't. Brave Bird or Yacht. You guys will probably tell me to use areas, right? Please comment which move you want. You want it to usually put on the sky, but no fall. And another freedom. Only 4 minutes. That's it for this video. next time we'll see who's behind that door. By the way, I wonder if I could go through here. It's my special hiding spot. Bye.